Hereditarily, my family has bad teeth on my father's side. My brother, several years ago, who was younger than me, had total replacements also. Between being hereditary and years of medical issues that I've had, they kind of got worse and worse until I was starting to lose them all or had them broken and loose at the same time. The moment for me was I was just having such a hard time eating and chewing, and socially it was really tough because you didn't want to go anywhere, you don't really want to be seen or talk to anybody. So I realized that I needed to have something done because I couldn't keep living the way I was, and I figured I needed a better quality of life than I was having just because of these issues.
When I looked at Doug, I was very anxious to get started. Because I could see what it was going to look like when he was done, and in my mind, I could visualize it, and I knew what we needed to do. He called us up and said, "I'm ready to go."
Well, I did researches on different companies, and I'd seen a few of the social media clips that were available for the office. So that is one of the main reasons I came in. They seemed to be a good place to go. And everybody was just so happy and smiley, and I thought to myself, and I did ask the one girl at one time, I said, "Is there a gas leak? Somebody leave the laughing gas on?" Because everybody's just so happy. Dr. Thompson is one of the most personable people that I've met. Individuals that will actually explain everything to you and give you and make sure you have an understanding of the procedures and what needs to happen and what your options are. This office compares really well with their technology. They seem to embrace the technology out there that gives them the tools, so to speak, to make your life better and give you a better quality of life. Since I've got the new teeth, I'm not as self-conscious about going out in public and actually speaking with people, where before I was, because I was just so embarrassed because all they could see is a few teeth right here on this side and basically nothing else. And it's, boosted my self-esteem, and it just allows me to be more social, meet new people, go for walks. I would like to really thank everybody, all the staff, the doctor here at New Smile Dental. I love the way my smile looks. I love the way it feels. I love the way it makes me feel socially. I think they're the most wonderful company that I've ever had to deal with.